Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at the Turkish ETF, TUR, and we can see for the week down about 2.5%. So let's see what could be happening here. In my own personal estimation, we can find some short-term technical reasons why it is stalling. Let's draw this line here, which was the previous break line. So let me just show you that break on the 2-year weekly chart took place here, which is this movement lower. So what we do is extend that line and see what we get in the future to see how relevant this line is. And I'm just going to extend it like that. And obviously you can see the visual challenge right now. This line has been a problem over a period of many months. We tried to move above it here, we stalled, and now we are coming back and we are stalling. So I would say around here, that's the challenge. If the stock is to see higher prices, it needs to clear the blue line. Otherwise, for now, it looks like the equation has changed, and more than likely this stock or the ETF looks to be under some downside pressure. Now that's the 2-year weekly. Let me show you all data monthly. Let's zoom in here, and here we have all data monthly. Show you some challenging areas. Let's take a look at this previous or most recent break level. So there's one consideration. There was a break here, and again that break goes back to 2015, which is this movement somewhere there. And then now let's extend that line. Should be something like that, and hope you can see that. I'm gonna bring it back right there, and you can see that there was uniform activity rejection above the line and back below it for this resistance level. It was also uniform activity above the 50 level and back below it, another sell signal during that period in early 2016. And then take a look at this here. We seem to be coming back to test that line. We have been unable to move above this line as long as it is down for the month. As you can see, as long as it is down for the month, it shows that it is respecting that level, and that here the next swing trade seems to be down. Let's take a look at another line which goes back to this break off the highs of 2011. So off this movement there. And so we see that led to a drop, of course. So let's take that information and extend that breakpoint right here. We're just gonna extend it like that, and it gives us very interesting points. So let me just do it right there. So you can see, of course, it broke down here off the movement there. We moved back above the red line, which is this entry, and we get a good move to the upside. We break below the line, we start this decline. We try to move above it here and here for the highs there and there on a monthly closing basis. We tried again, we were rejected at the highs there, and we tried again to move above that level there. We were rejected for the highs here, and now we are coming back to test that level, which is the current high. Let's remove all that so you can see it clearly. So let me draw that line again so we can see it clearly. This was the break. Take that information, which is the uniformity break line. Every time we have uniform activity rejection on this line, it means something to the stock, and you can see uniform activity rejection throughout all these highs, and now we are coming back to test this. So the stock is asking a huge question as to whether it can hold above that red line. Otherwise, failure to do so suggests that the next swing trade for this instrument more than likely is lower until it can clear the resistance levels discussed on this video. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. I am out. Mwah.